Rob Frazier here. This video I wanted to talk about what it is that I'm promoting and basically what it is you're going to experience as you go through this system. So first off, I'm promoting an opportunity, Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite has 5 different levels: G100, 250, G500, G1000, and G2000. What those numbers mean: G100, you get all of the training and information at the G100 level, and you'll be able to earn instant $100 commissions paid straight to you. G250, same deal. You get all of the information at the G100 and all of the training and marketing information at the 250 level, the G250 level, as well as the ability to earn instant $100 and instant $250 commissions paid straight to you right now, today, same day. Same thing with the G5, G1000, and G2000. In this particular video, I'm just going to focus on the G100 to get started. How it works, basically, there's an admin fee, $49 to the company, and then you pay your sponsor $100. In this case, it'll be me. So you come in, it's one time, $149. $49 to the company, $100 to your sponsor, and then we get off rocking and rolling and promoting this. So that being said, what are you going to get? At the G100 level, there's 2 pieces to this whole puzzle. You get a G100 hub, which is a marketing hub, Facebook marketing, WhatsApp marketing, and TikTok marketing. I personally know a lot of newer marketers who came out of nowhere and they found success on TikTok. Of all places. I myself am not on TikTok, but I've seen a lot of people come by and just all of a sudden they're 6-figure earners, they're full-time at the house working online, and it was through TikTok. So this is valuable information, and some of the videos are a tad old, but they're still valid today because a lot of these concepts really don't change much. So G100, that's what you're going to get with the hub. And you're also going to get your actual product. You actually don't have a G100 training library. I'm going to click on this just so you can see some of the topics: big ticket machine, 10K blueprint, social media messaging apps, Facebook groups, Instagram ads, big business blueprint, email list series, cryptocurrency secrets. I'm not going to get into the weeds here because when you click the link underneath this video, it's going to take you to this page right here, and this is a replicated page where you can get more information about it. So at the $100 level, you get access to that G100 marketing hub, and then you get access to all of the products at the G100 level. Also, that being said, when you join me, yours truly, when you come through, you pay the $49 to the admin and you pay $100 to me. What are you going to get from me? For starters, you're going to get my daily plan, my daily method of operation. And after taking my daily plan, my daily method of operation, and applying it, you too can get in a position to where you're earning at least, and I'm going to watch what I say here, how if you follow my plan long enough and consistently enough, there's no reason why you shouldn't be earning consistent money with this opportunity. It is a real simple, straightforward opportunity, and it's real simple steps to make this thing work. A lot of people, there's a lot of stats going around, 95 to 99% of people in affiliate marketing are not making money. And it's just simply because they're not doing the right steps. That's the only difference I see. I follow the same steps over and over and over, and I tell you what it is I'm doing over and over and over. So first, you're going to get my daily plan, my daily method of operation. You're going to get access to my Complete Freedom Facebook group. And in fact, when people join me at the G100 level, I call it Freedom Light, or Light Freedom, because you're going to get access to my Complete Freedom group. You're going to get my daily method of operation. And, I mean, that's really everything you need to make this thing work. However, there's going to be a lot of people out there who want to end up making more money, and we can cover that in a future video. So when you join me, you get access to my daily plan, my daily method of operation, my Facebook, and my Facebook group. My Facebook group, every single day, I lay out, this is what I'm doing. This is where I bought traffic. This is where I posted on social media. This is my daily YouTube video. I just share everything I'm doing in that group. I'm just laying it all out there. So that's 2 things you get with me. Also, you're going to actually get access to this book right here. I'm going to actually send it to you in the mail. It's a little book. It Works. Famous little red book that makes your dreams come true. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. I should have pulled a picture up on the screen. But basically, I'm going to give you a copy of this book, an actual book. I'm going to send it to you, not a Kindle, not a PDF, but I'm going to send you this book in the mail, also with a handwritten note with some things that I've learned from applying different things in this book. You're also going to get 100 drop cards. If you can see my camera, or if you can see the drop card, if I can line them up here. These are basically little drop cards with your website that looks like money, and all you do is you take these drop cards and put them in gas stations, leave them by the ATM, leave them in the bathroom at the restaurant, leave them in shopping carts or buggies, whatever you call them, as you're leaving a grocery store. And these are a great way to advertise your business offline. I also leave these at parks. I go to like apartment complexes, and I'll go to the laundry room, and I'll leave a couple of these drop cards around, and I just pass them out whenever I'm out. I know one guy who lives in Las Vegas who built his whole team using these drop cards with a different opportunity. Very simple, easy way to promote your business that anyone can do. You're going to get 100 of these drop cards. And lastly, had to dig these things out. You're going basically, it's a little wristband. It says eat, sleep, slam, traffic, repeat. Basically a little reminder that you can keep around your wrist or leave on your desk. Just something that just keep you focused on the right things that you need to be doing to make this thing work. So that being said, click the link below. Go to this page right here, scroll down, watch both the videos, and then when you click here, either to Genesis or to join Exitus Elite now, you go through the process, you get to a page similar to this. When you get to the join page, it's just as simple as selecting the G100 level. So down here, you can click on Genesis to get more information, and I'm actually click on join Exitus Elite now, just so you can see what both of these pages look like. Again, I try not to make my videos too long, but there's so much stuff I want to pass. So here, again, you get more information about the products. And just waiting for my Country Bumpkin Wi-Fi to load. We basically just recently moved out away from the city. And the funny thing is, I can look up on one of the mountains, I see a 5G tower, and our internet is still pretty slow. But that being said, you don't need fast internet to make money online, because I'm proof in the pudding. So on this page, scroll down, you can click Genesis or join Exitus Elite. When you click Genesis, you're going to see more information about the products. You get G100, G250, G5, so on and so forth. You scroll down here, read all about them, and then when you click the Join Exitus Elite, it'll basically take you to a page similar to this. I'm just, again, waiting for my Country Bumpkin Wi-Fi to load here. You can scroll down here, check out more information about it. When you click this Join Now page right here, it'll take you to this page right here, and then you can select what level it is you want to join. If you're watching this video, odds are you're going to at least come in at the G100 level. That being said, wrapping this video up, going to be doing more videos talking about the $255, $1,000, and $2,000 level, and we will see you in the next one. Again, this is what the page looks like. Very simple, has all the information on it. Hopefully you got some fast Wi-Fi, but anyways, that's the video. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.